Your mobile journalism kit contains several items. The Rode Reporter mic and the Saramonic lavalier mic are covered in separate videos, links for which are in the description. This video will cover the smartphone grip mount and the iRig preamp. Also provided is a microphone extension cable. The smartphone grip mount can be handheld or mounted on a tripod. When using a tripod, always pay attention to the direction the lens is facing. To mount your phone, simply slide it between the V-shaped grooves and tighten the clamp with the screw at the top. The mount can then be placed on the tripod. Make sure the lever is fully clamped onto the tripod plate. Familiarise yourself with how the clamp works before mounting anything valuable to the tripod. In handheld mode, the mount can be gripped firmly with the fingers, leaving the thumb free for operating the touchscreen. The iRig preamp lets you connect professional XLR mics via a 3.5mm jack to a smartphone. You can connect headphones at the same time to monitor your recordings. There is also a volume gain wheel on the side of the iRig to adjust the input level of the microphone. Please use the bag provided to store your kit safely when it's not in use. If you would like to watch more equipment tutorials, please visit our channel below.